Marcus, when you were, potted, did you learn anything else?
The original Locust, the big ones, they're called Scions. They're in charge, and they're using us to grow an army.
So what the hell are we gonna do about it?
We'll figure that out later. Right now, finding Kate's mom is our priority.
Thank you, Marcus.
It's this way. Damn it. Looks like we need to clear out these locust shells.
Oh yeah, preferably before more Scions break out.
Okay, back up. I'll clear them out. Okay.
Incoming Juby! Sounds like a lot of them! Back in your car!
Oh, that left a mess.
Good work. Now keep pushing ahead.
That's it. We're clear.
More shells! Let's move them!
The loader's hit! Oh, shit! Take out that snatcher!
That what?
Snatch! Well, forget it. Just shoot the goddamn thing! Snatcher's down! Whoa! And, so is the loader. Alright, now let's just, find an exit tunnel and work our way back to the ore transporter.
You have any problems getting down here? From what I remember, it's a long ride.
No real problems.
We do have a way back up, right?
Oh, yeah, of course. Watch it! Swarm up ahead! Got a drone! Anybody else see that? Crossboard! Oh, yeah! Crack one drone! Got a drone!
Okay, James. This ore transporter. What kind of shape is it in?
On fire?
On fire.
Dad, I got this.
Hey, Marcus, we passed this guy on the way down. We're almost there.
There's more up ahead!
Then get ready!
Throw him down! Sweet! Throw me down! Come on, we're almost there! Oh, yeah! Another snatcher! Don't let it get you!
This whole goddamn hive is coming after us!
Snatcher's coming down! We gotta keep it back!
Take it! Snatcher's down! Time to mop up these drones! Great time for this. Get the hell out of here before any more show up! Double time it to the ore transporter! Oh, yeah!
Come on, come on!
Ah, shit! More juvies!
Watch it! Juvies behind you!
Our ore transporter's up these stairs.
This is our way back up?
You're coming.
Kate, with me. James, we need a plan.
Okay, fuel tank.
Exploded.
Control room?
Destroyed.
Hurry!
We fly?
Huh? Interesting. Also impossible.
Maybe not. Hey! I got a plan!
And for the record, I had no input on this plan.
Everyone, grab a cable!
Shoot! Oh, shit!
Ah, see? I told you this would work!
This is not a good idea!
Webbing! Clear it out! This mine shaft's falling apart!
Holy shit, that was close!
Juvi's incoming! And Juvi's outgoing!
Oh shit! Counterweight!
Remind me whose idea was this again?
Hey, it's a work in progress.
Just shoot the
Got one!
Down to 2!
There! We're free!
Whoa, what's happening?
We're almost down! I can see the top!
We're still not stopping!
Those guys are gonna crush us! Let's take them out!
We're not stopping! We're not stopping! Hey! We stopped!
And you said we couldn't fly. Hey, Dad. You okay?
Yeah. But listen, before we hit the other hive, we should think about backup.
What? You mean Jin?
No, a friend.
Come on, anyone but him.
Calling him in means a slight detour.
A detour? What if we detoured on our way to you?
Kate, I told you, your mother's...
That's right, you'd probably be a puddle of goo right now. Or worse.
Oh, come on. There's not much worse than a puddle of goo.
We're going to get her. Now.
Dad, it's her mother.
That burial site is twice the size of this one.
You've been in her position. Did you wait for backup?
Shit.